Introducing the Spray Master, the latest innovation in agricultural pesticide sprayers. A true multi-purpose machine designed to make farming easier and more efficient. With its advanced double-motor Japan technology pump, it delivers an impressive 250 psi of pressure, allowing you to spray up to 2 meters both horizontally and vertically. Equipped with 6 adjustable nozzles, the Spray Master ensures even coverage for your crops. Its smartly engineered 2-tire system glides smoothly through dense crops without causing any damage. Need extra flexibility? Switch to the 3-tire option for free movement across the farm. Built with balance and durability in mind, this machine is perfect for all terrains. And the best part? It's the most affordable design on the market. The regular price is just 12,000 rupees, but here's the deal. For the first 1,000 customers, enjoy a 21% discount. That's right, get it for only 9,444 rupees. Already have a similar pump? No problem. Simply purchase the machine and attach your existing pump to save 50% on the cost. Don't miss this game-changing offer. Call now at +91 846 943 4111. Spray Master, brought to you by Prahantam Private Limited, your trusted partner in farming innovation.